What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win, and then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So today we have an awesome video for you for Cardano. Yes, all you ADA lovers out there. So Cardano, as you know, one of my favorite tokens, one of my favorite projects. Everything that's going on with Cardano is fantastic. And it finally has been moving for the last couple of days, actually a couple of weeks now. And obviously we had a little bit of a market correction over the last couple of days where everything came down, but Cardano actually survived quite well through the little ups and downs. So today we are going to talk about Cardano. We're going to talk about Cardano's new millionaires. So thousands of percentile growth for Cardano millionaires just over the last couple of weeks from this last little major run. So we're going to cover that. We're going to go over the live charts for Cardano. We're going to go over the daily and the 4-hour charts. And we are also going to check out the CoinMarkets Pro Vortex score for Cardano. Also, there's a huge project coming out on Cardano, which I'll explain to you in this today. Also, they just launched the token sale. You guys can get in on that. I actually have a link if you guys want to use it, a little referral link, get you some free tokens just for getting started with the project. The project's really cool. We'll go into some details about that in the video as well. So here we go. So in this article, Sam Borgi writes, there are now 6,710 Cardano millionaires following the latest ADA surge. The number of Cardano millionaires has gone up 1,341%. That 2 in there is a typo. If you do the math, you'll see what I'm talking about. So according to CoinMatrix data, Cardano has rewarded its investors with significant gains this year, with a growing number of holders joining the coveted Millionaires Club following the latest ADA price surge. Since the start of the year, the number of millionaires investors in ADA has increased more than 13-fold to 6,710 as of May 17th, according to United Kingdom-based news agency Finhold. Using data from CoinMetrics, the agency determined that there were just 504 ADA addresses worth at least $1 million on January 1st, and the number of active ADA addresses also grew by 417.81% between January 1st and April 28th. ADA's value has skyrocketed nearly 1,040% since the start of the year, up from just 18 cents to $2.08 at the time of publication. The cryptocurrency peaked closer to $2.40 earlier in the week, setting multiple record highs in the process. As Cointelegraph recently reported, ADA has entered a new price discovery phase, which means further upside could be in store over the short term. The cryptocurrency now has a market capitalization of $66.1 billion, placing it in the 4th position among active projects. ADA has overtaken Dogecoin, Tether USDT, and XRP amid the latest rally. Perhaps equally as important is the fact that ADA appears to be bucking the current crypto market downtrend. Over the past 7 days, ADA has appreciated by 19%. By comparison, Bitcoin has declined 22.6% and ETH is down 15.2%. In addition to having one of the most dedicated cryptocurrency communities in the industry, Cardano is also benefiting from positive news from Input Out Hong Kong, or IOHK. The smart contract platform's development arm recently explained that its forthcoming Alonzo upgrade is being gradually deployed to the mainnet in May and also June. IOHK recently partnered with the Ethiopian government to revamp the African nation's education system. Under the partnership, IOHK will deploy its blockchain solution across the country, with up to 5 million students potentially benefiting from the program. Also, great news for Cardano, a new project that is launching on Cardano has started its pre-sale. So Revuto, subscribe, control, and pay with crypto. Control your subscriptions with the first D app on Cardano and leveraging recurring payments with Revutokens. and DeFi services. Secure your spot and join the first token sale on Cardano to help us revolutionize the subscription economy. Public Revutoken sale will start on May 18th. So that just launched. And what this does is you will actually be able to consolidate all of your subscriptions into one place. You've got Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, all of those different subscription programs that you might have, and you'll be able to control them. Because I can't tell you how many subscriptions that I've had in the past that I kept paying for at least 3 to 5 months. Some of these subscriptions are $50 a month and you accidentally pay them several months, then you have to call and ask for a refund, all that. So this is going to revolutionize that, because it's all going to be in one central location and you can control all of your subscriptions from one spot. So what I wanted to show you guys is that they are also giving away free tokens. So you get 10 free tokens. I'm going to put my link down below. Once you get your link, which my link is right here, if you want to use that, you can also go to thrivelikeus.com, thrivelikeus.com. You'll see that down below as well. But you can go to that website. It's a little bit easier, right? This link is hard to remember. So I just went ahead and bought a domain and forwarded it. Thrivelikeus.com gets you to your 10 free tokens. And then you can start referring your friends. For your first 10 free tokens that you get out, you get 10 free, right? So if you refer 10, you get 10 each time. That would be 100. Then you reach the basic level. At that point, you'll have 100 tokens. The next level that you would reach, bring 30 of your friends, then you get to 300. At the 60 level, you get 600. And then at that, you start to earn 20% from the company as well. So this is a really, really cool program. I'm going to use it. One, it's on Cardano. So I'm going to support everything Cardano does, because I want Cardano's blockchain and ADA to just go nuts, right? And then this is going to be a program on there. So I want to get in early so that way I can take advantage of that. So once you get over here, you'll be able to enter in, get your 10 free tokens, click on token sale, and then you can actually go buy more tokens if you want to. So I just wanted to bring that up. Another positive news for Cardano, because these apps are starting to roll out on the actual blockchain, and the blockchain is starting to go live. So really, really positive news coming forward. Now let's go take a look at the charts. All right, so here is the daily chart for ADA. And as you can see, I mean, when we were watching this, this flipped to a positive long call all the way back on November 20th of last year. And it has been on the daily chart, a positive run up ever since then. It has not even switched back to a sell or short signal at all. And as you can see, the last time there was a short signal, it was only for a couple of days, because it just came off of this long signal and it switched right here to a short signal for only a couple of days. And then boom, it flipped back to long. All right. So looking good for ADA as far as short-term and long-term right now, because we're definitely running on the up slope, right? We're trending up. You can also see the 200-day moving average right here is trending up. These moving averages that we have on the ribbon, this is the 20, the 25, the 30, the 35. It just recently came down and tapped that 25 moving average and then took off, which is very, very positive. It is on a current short break, right? Because the whole market. So let's take a look from the very most recent low to the most recent high with the Fibonacci. And on the Fibs, you can see that it came down, went just below that 50. The actual bodies never closed below the 50. The next day tapped, that was yesterday, tapped on that 50 again. And today it also tapped the 50 one more time. So it's looking like 50 may be becoming a new support, which is good, which is right at the basically $2 mark, $1.98. And right now it's sitting at $2.01. The new daily candle just started. So we're going to see if we can build some momentum going forward for the day, which would be really nice. Right now it is currently 5:30 on the West Coast in California on the 18th, which is Tuesday. And the new daily candle did just start. So yesterday it did make a move up. It went up to about the 50% of the previous day's candle, came back down. Like I said, it basically tapped that $2 mark. And then now it's at the $2 mark trying to make its move up. So is $2 the new support level for ADA? I mean, if you guys remember, it was sitting basically at $1.30 for almost a month. I mean, it was crazy, even longer than that, really, if it, in the consolidation zone since February 26th, before it broke out, all the way to May 4th. So February, March, April, and May, 4 months, it was sitting in that little zone. between basically $1 and $1.30 before it took off. So right now it's looking like we are potentially building a $2 support on the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour candles. If you take a look at the 4-hour candles, this is a little bit more of a shorter term vision of what's going on. It did come down and it's been tapping multiple times in that zone of $2 and $2.10 on the 4-hour. And then even on the 1-hour chart, it is definitely using that $2 level as a support, which is really nice because you can see it did come down. It tapped that 200 moving average for the 1 hour, and then it's been tapping off that 200 moving average. What we want to see now is we want to see this turn around and break above these EMA ribbons. We want it to be on the positive side of the EMA ribbons and go back to a long call, right? It was just in a long call back on May 13th. It was long for all this time, started its breakdown, which the whole market has been on a little bit of a pullback, needed a breather. It was going a little crazy, came down and it went just below the 200 and now it's taking back off and it's tapping on the 200. So on the hourly, if we take a look at the TDI as well, no real signals of what's happening here. It's just in a little consolidation pattern. So maybe it trades sideways for a day or so, but right now it's looking good. We'll have another price analysis for ADA coming up here shortly, but I just want to share the news with you, share the new token that's launching on the Cardano blockchain. And I wanted to show what's going on here in the charts for the short term so you can have an idea. We are in a little bit of a short-term downtrend. As you can see here, if we take our trend line, we are coming down a little bit. What we want to see this happen is, like I said, bouncing off this 200, turn around, flip these ribbons, and basically go back above this trend line right here. We need to see it reach $2.07. Once it breaks $2.07, then we'll know that it has broke the downtrend, which would be very, very positive for us. And then we can see if it'll start to head back in the trading in the positive direction, or if it'll trade sideways for a couple of days. Let's go jump over to the CoinMarkets Pro and look at the Vortex score for ADA. All right, so over here on the Cointelegraph CoinMarkets Pro, we got a 62 score for ADA, just turned from green to orange today. We have a $64 billion market cap, $7 billion worth of trading today. And as you can see, 12% gain, which is nice, 6,000 tweets. The latest newsquake, staking, we already know about the staking news. Partnerships was 11 days ago. New partnerships, these DeFi NFTs come to Cardano. We also have, there are 5 hours ago, there are 6,710 Cardano millionaires. We just read that. 12 hours ago, Revuto to have public token sale to deliver subscription payments on Cardano. We just talked about that. Go to thrivelikeus.com and get your 10 tokens. I mean, who knows where that could go? So who cares? You get some free tokens, which would be really, really nice. Cardano ERC20 converter nears testnet phase. All this positive news has happened just in the last 24 hours. And then yesterday there was a price analysis on ADA. So just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with Cardano/ADA, 62 Vortex score. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel. Also, do not forget to go to winwithryan.com and find my favorite place to make money online so that you can make some money and invest it back into your crypto gains. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Talk to you later.